Hi dudes, greeting everyone on my Asab training channel. It's me Asab, your guide in the world for trading in binary options with over 7 years of market experience. Over these years I've gained enough experience in this field to pass on to you all the information I've learned and absorbed over the quite extensive period of time. I know for sure that trading is not the easiest activity. I would even say that to trade you need courage and a lot of patience like never before. I will teach you all this and of course show you the coolest and simplest trading strategies. There is an active pump in the world of cryptocurrencies right now, and we are closer to all of this than ever before. Since binary option closely interested with all the main points of the crypto world and the volatility of crypto pairs and use brings it benefits to our business. Our futures trading team in Forex is showing excellent results for 5 months. There has not been a single day when we didn't make money. In this group, my colleagues and provide free signals for forex and futures trading. If anyone is interested, write a direct message. Well, I want to thank those people who are still with us and the newcomers, of whom there are more than 1,000 people in the last month alone. This is crazy, guys. We're just pleasing in the end. Great things await us, and I'm sure that we will earn a lot of money together. And today I will tell you about the super profitable and very simple trading strategy. With it, you will be able to achieve certain success in trading. And before we start, I want to ask you to leave a comment and like this video, link in the description, because it is very important to me. You motivate me to continue recording videos and creating education content. Let's get started. Let's figure out the settings and set all the parameters like mine. To begin with, let's set the indicators. Today we will be assisted by the parabolic star, envelopes and MACD indicator. This is the best trio used in combination. The time frame for us will be 1 minute and lead time expiration. Of course, it will be 3 minutes today for this trading strategy. Now let's find more convenient situation on the market and trade. This is strange for our trading strategy, and so I will enter into trade in front of us is a Canadian dollar Japanese yen currency pair. I will enter up and let me explain everything in more detail by example. So guys, to understand how this trading strategy works, first we pay attention to the MACD indicator, namely we need to see the intersection of the two lines of this indicator. If the two lines are intersected and directed downward, this is a signal to consider the signal in a bearish trend. If the two lines are intersected and directed upwards, this is a signal to consider the signal in an upward trend. And everything is ingenious and simple, guys. But to accurately form an opinion about the indicators, you need to understand the signals of the remaining two indicators. And so on, we look at the envelopes indicator, whose lines follows the local trend. In this case, if the lines are directed to the upper point, this is a signal to enter a bullish trend. If the opposite is a signal to enter a bearish trend. In this case, the lines are directed upward, which means that with the entry point we have determined it correctly, and these are concluded by the pixels of the parabolic star indicator, which shows the direction of the global and local trend. In this case, the pixels are directed upwards, which means that the trend will also be locally bullish. In the case, all trend indicators signal an entry into the upper zone and point, so all that remains in to wait for our profit, guys. And so what we can see, we see that the price in our side and so little bit jump. It's okay, guys, it doesn't matter, because I think that we definitely choose the right direction, guys. And so we can see this motion. Okay, I think that the three indicators just very correctly show us the direction of this price. In this case, it will be very good. And so we just watched the price in our side, so it is absolutely right. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Okay, it was 100 and 100 deal, and so all amount 202 deal, guys, 2 deals, and it is very cool, guys. And so today I will be trade for 2 deals, maybe 3 deals, and so we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Okay, we just wait, and cool, profit obtained, guys. Super, this is wonderful. Let's change our amount, so our deposit for transaction, and move on to find more cool situation on the market. And so in front of us the currency pair Australian dollar Swiss franc. I will enter into an upward position again, and let me explain everything in more detail, guys. And so this is very dangerous situation, but we also know about this risk, and so we just enter a trade. And so first of all, we look at the lines of the momentum indicator. One line is directed downwards, the other upward, but here, friends, from my personal experience, I can say there's a real there will definitely be a reversal, guys. And the momentum histogram show us the upper range of candles, which also tells us about the reversal, guys. And so next we look at the lines of the envelopes indicators. They show us the direction downwards, but based on my own experience, I can say that we have chosen the right bullish direction. So if we look at the pixels of the parabolic sellers, they show us a locally bullish trend, which means that we confirm our guesses. And based on the analysis and my personal experience, I believe that we entered the position correctly. All that remains is to wait for our profit. And so guys, if you're a beginner, you can work with me absolutely free of charge. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. When I trade every day, and you can follow me step by step and get a good profit. Write to me privately, teach me, and I will share with you all the useful information. Sports are limited, and come join us, guys. And so what we can see, we see that the price definitely on our side, guys. I love motion like this because it is very lucky. So it is very good because our market just favorable for us, and so it is amazing, guys. So okay, we're just waiting our profit, guys. You can see that the 3-minute expiration time, it is very good expiration time. I think I use this usually, and it is very good. I catch the profit definitely, and it is just amazing, guys. So I love this trading strategy because it is very basic and very simple for beginners and for experienced trader. And so we can use this everything and everywhere, guys. And so we can trade for this all time. If you wanted this, if you like this trading strategy, you can just trading every time or this trading strategy. And so we can see that the price a little bit jumping in our direction, but it will be okay because 5 seconds, guys, and we definitely catch our profit, guys. So we're just waiting 1 2 3, and so cool, guys. We just catch this profit. It is very cool. And so let's change the entry for the trade again and find a more convenient situation for us. So in front of us the currency pair euro Swiss franc. I will enter a lower position, and let me explain everything in more detail, guys. And first of all, of course, we look at the intersection of the MACD lines, and they neatly show us an easy downward movement, and the histogram starts to show the lower boundary of the red candle, which is very important. Next, we look at the 3 lines of the envelopes indicator, which also tells us about a neat downward trend, so everything is clear here. And of course, we look at the parabolic star indicator, whose pixels show us a local bearish trend, which means that we have definitely and clearly chosen the entry point. And now all we have to do is wait for the results, guys. It is very cool. Maybe someone from you can tell that this position is not perfect, but I can say that not I can say that perfect position just not existence, guys, because it is market, it is very hot market, sometimes it is cold market, sometimes it is very hot market, and it is just crazy. It is trading, guys. It is all time it is risk, guys, and you must accept this just accept this and just learn this learn learn the main rules, guys, and just watch my video on my YouTube channels, guys, and just look my Telegram channels, and all will be okay, and you can learn all valuable information, guys. So, and just look at this price on our side, guys. We just look this situation, and so I hope that this trade will be in our pocket too, like 2 trades ago, and so it is very good motion, guys. We're just waiting our profit. It is and so yeah, very nervous trade, guys, I know this, but I think all will be okay. Yes, 3 position, guys, for $200. All amount is $600, guys, and if we lost it will be not good, guys, but I think that we will be win this, and so we're just waiting for this profit, guys, just waiting, and price on our side, I just hallelujah, i just I just wanted that this price will be on our side, and so 15 seconds, guys, it's very dangerous motion, so we're just waiting, very nervous trade, guys, and just look at this, guys, look at this. 3, 2, 1, and our side, yes, woo, profit obtained. That's wonderful, friends. Not an easy trade, but we took it. Let's change the deposit for the trade again and find even more convenient situation for the market. So in front of us is the currency pair dirham Chinese yen. We will enter up and let me explain everything in order. And so we immediately look at the momentum indicator lines. They are directed upward and intersect, which means that this is a signal to enter in an upper position. The green candles also give us a signal, and the histogram position is in the upper range. Next, we look at the envelopes indicator lines, which are swiftly directed downwards, but there will be reversal now, I'm sure, in the nearest 5-10 minutes of the range, and the parabolic star shows us an upward trend as well, as its pixels are directed upwards according to the global trend, which means we have correctly determined the entry point. And let's wait for profit, friends. And so what we can see, we see that the direction just an upward, and so side and price on our side, guys, definitely, and so it is very good and favor for us. So market is very cool today, is very cool. It's not strong motion, guys, but we just catch some motion, and this is very good. I just entered to $350, and it is 3 trades, guys, 3 trades, and all amount around $1,050. It is big money, guys, you know this, and I know this, but we can catch this motion. It's definitely right, guys. So we see that the parabolic star just shows us a local trend and upward trend, and so it is very cool. But 3 lines of envelopes just show us a little bit reversal, I think, but because this motion was in downward, but it is right now just changed and shows us reversal, guys. And okay, and what we can see for intersection for MACD, it is very clear motion, guys. It is very clear motion because was intersection 2 lines, and direction is upward trend, and two lines shows us in direction and upward trend. So it is very cool, guys. And I can see, you can watch that this will be our profit, guys. And so we're just waiting for a little bit time, and so we're just waiting. I assure you that it will be in our pocket. So like 3 deals ago. So we just wait. We're just waiting, guys. Damn, it is crazy, guys. Profit opinions, it's super wonderful. Let's choose the extreme currency pair for trading and try to take profits there as well. So guys, it's so not cool and okay. So in front of us is a currency pair, Saudi Real, Chinese Yen, enter. Let me explain everything in dollar here, friends. 4 trades, guys. It is crazy, guys. Amount of 500. It is very big money, guys. The picture is just perfect. There is a clear picture as the MACD indicator lines are crossed and directed towards the upper range. Obviously, its histogram is highlighted in the upper boundary. Then we look at the envelopes line, and here we see a moving line that smoothly begins the reversal to the upper range. We clearly saw this, and if we look at the pixels of the parabolic star indicator, we will clearly see the global movement towards the upper range, which is the ultimate signal that we have chosen the entry point correctly. All we have to do now is wait. And so, guys, it is very clear motion. I predict very good currency pair motion, guys. It is very good. Just look at this, it's amazing, guys. I make 4 deals, guys. 4 deals, all amount it's $2,000, guys. Just sound these, guys. $2,000 for 1 deal. And what we can see that this in our direction, in our price, and we just understand that we catch this motion. We will catch this motion, guys. And so I am very excited, very excited, because I just wanna watch my balance after these deals, guys. And so I'm very excited. I think it will be very good profit, guys. So just remember, time expiration 3 minutes, 3 indicators, MACD indicators, envelopes indicators, and parabolic indicator. And so combination for these indicators, it will be very explosion, guys. And so we just catch your money. And so we're just waiting for our profit, guys. Little bit time, and we just get a good profit. So it is Asab training channel, guys. Just look at this and learn this. 20 minutes, guys. No, I don't know what say, and so I don't know how I can call this, but it is money time, I think. Money time, guys. And so damn, profit obtained. It is wonderful. This tone strategy has simply worked brilliantly. It just over 20 minutes with 200 I was able to grow my deposit to 4,000, guys, $4,000. This is no joke. Just think about these numbers. Some people work for a year for such money, and we have done it in just 20 minutes of our time. If you're tired of financial literacy, long working hours, and minimum wage, it's time to send all that wave and start earning with me. If you're watching this video, it means you're already on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, link in the description. And until the next time, profit to everyone, hugs to all until it crunches.